Did you know that dragonflies are considered the most efficient hunters in the animal kingdom? These incredible insects can catch their prey with an astonishing success rate of over 95%. With their specialized legs shaped like a basket, they scoop up unsuspecting insects mid-air. Talk about a perfect catch. Dragonflies have massive compound eyes that give them nearly 360-degree vision, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. And did you know they can fly in any direction? They can hover, dart, and even fly backward, making them agile predators.